Hello, beautiful family. Hope you're doing well. Yes, today we have this remote freelancer writer. Yes, we are on June 29. Yes, only 66 applicants have applied to this remote freelancer writer. You can work from anywhere, sales and marketing. So, yes, guys. So, welcome to the channel, and I have this job. I have several jobs today, guys, and I do like to share worldwide opportunities. And today, this is the job we have. We have this job. As you can see, they say we manage the content for some of the highest profile B2B sites out there. The content for our entire business, it could not be more central to our success. So we are looking for a skilled freelancer writer who know the world of website creation inside and out. Your sole focus will be a writer on based and comprehensive product review, guide, tutorial, product comparison, and so many more. So let's see the responsibility. Follow our brief and template to write high quality, well researched, conduct in deep research to investigate topics using incredible source and data to support your writing, update published posts to ensure they remain accurate and relevant while providing value and meeting reads to search intents. Yes, and balanced feedback for editors. Yes, how to tell if you be a great fit. So those are the requirements when it comes to the website related topic like website builders, website hosting, domain register, e-commerce platform. You know your stuff. You can effortless transform high technical concerns concept into clear and acceptable content. You don't just write about website creation. You have building your own website. You have experienced point yourself. Yes, you are pro in digging deeper into any topic. You are always edging into stand up, dates, and so many more. So, guys, this is a job they have. Remote freelancer writer on this website will work remotely. Only 66 applicants have applied up to now. If you click here, you're gonna see the company is Stone Place. Okay, so if you write on your Google browser, write Stone Place and go to their careers, you will see this job. All right, so you're gonna submit cover letter. You have to tell a bit about what you are looking for in your next role. What is about this role that drove you to apply? What do you think you will be a good fit for you? It's like this question, interview question, guys. And if you've answered to all questions, you go ahead and apply, submit your application. All right. Again, I'm gonna link the link in the description box of this video. So let's go back to see other jobs they have today. They have, this is a brand new job, freelancer writer. We have this B2B paid social. You can click here as well and see only 154 applicants have applied. Try to think in 155 applicants and you submit your application. I believe you can be selected, like you have maybe 50% to be selected. So continue to come to visit this YouTube channel. I will continue sharing with you all the updates, all the new jobs, which are brand new jobs that guys you can apply to. Okay, so for example, this one, what in it for you? You can see this is the things they have benefit for you. Remote working budget, they will train you. Okay, so they have a good pay, they have flexible hours, you can work from anywhere, you can work from anywhere, and so many more. So, yeah, this is the another one. Let's see, this is for US only, but if you see this one is visual content creator, you can work anywhere in the world. You can click here and see this has so many applicants. So now you can see the difference between the job that I post. The other one, only 66 applicants have applied. This one, 2,000 applicants has applied, and this job was posted June 27. So guys, you can see the difference of the job which are here. Again, if you go to search jobs and see the job which are here, yes, you can see, you can filter yourself and start exploring. This is June 24th. If you click here, thousands of applicants have applied to this job, but they still accepting the application. You can try your chance to see if they are still accepting. For this job, 3,000 applicants have applied. So you can see this job is remote freelancer writer, and 3,000 applicants have applied, which means this one also they will go ahead and apply because it's the same position, is the same title like remote freelancer title with different company. But guys, you can see only 68 applicants have applied. So act quick and apply to this job position. They don't request you to have like a university degree or any other degree. Yes, if you believe in yourself that you can be a good fit to work as a remote freelancer writer, make sure you consider to check to visit. This is the company Stone Place. Understand well how it works. Yes, you have to build your structure your LinkedIn account in a way that even if they visit your LinkedIn account, they will know that you are the one who can work with them. You will show this in the post that you post every single day. You will show them in the tags or the reposting that you do. So guys, yes, that is the tips that I can give you to this position. Go ahead and apply. So let's visit this Simply Hired. Mhm. And see what are the job they have today for us, guys. If you filter 24 hours and see they have customer service representative. So I believe the similar job that were here yesterday. So this job is posted 1 hour ago. That's why I always tell you, you have to visit this website. They say qualification, no experience. The year is only 1 year, communication skills under 1 year, time management, and you can see it's simple job and they don't have high qualification. So guys, go ahead and apply to this job position. Yes, you can see the benefit. They work from home, it's remote, it's Monday to Friday. Yes, let's see this. The company name is Exploit Outsourcing LLC. This is the company name. Now, guys, I hope you enjoyed to visit this website with me today. Please continue sharing my video. Remember to like and subscribe for the channel support. I love you all. I hope to see you soon. Have a great time. Bye bye.